Good evening, everybody. How are you doing? I have a story for you tonight about a chicken. It is called Interrupting Chicken. This book is called Interrupting Chicken, right, Papa? Yes. Now, please don't interrupt the story. And the story is by David Ezra Stein. It was the bedtime for Little Red Chicken. Okay, my little chicken, said Papa. Are you ready to go to sleep? Yes, Papa, but you forgot something. What's that? Asked Papa. A bedtime story. All right, said Papa. I'll read you one of your favorites. And of course, you're not going to interrupt the story tonight, are you? Oh, no, Papa. I'll be good. Once upon a time, there was a little girl and a little boy named Hansel and Gretel. They were very hungry, and deep in the woods they found a house made of candy. Nibble, 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 they began to eat the house until an old woman who lived there came out. What lovely children! Why don't you come inside? They were just about to follow her when out jumped a little red chicken, and she said, Don't go in! She's a witch! So Hansel and Gretel didn't. The end. Chicken? Yes, Papa? You interrupted the story. Try not to get so involved. I'm sorry, Papa, but she really was a witch. Well, you're supposed to be relaxing so you can fall asleep. Let's try another story. I'll be good. Little Red Riding Hood. Take this basket of goodies to Grandma, said Little Red Riding Hood's mother. But don't stray from the path. The woods are full of danger. Little Red Riding Hood skipped along through the deep woods. By and by, she met a wolf who wished her good morning. She was about to answer him when out jumped a little red chicken, and she said, Don't talk to strangers. So Little Red Riding Hood didn't. The end. Chicken? Yes, Papa? You did it again. You interrupted two stories. You're not even sleepy. I know, Papa. I'm sorry. But he was a mean old wolf. Yes. Now get back into bed. Okay, Papa. Let's try one more little story. I'll be good. Chicken Little. Chicken Little was hit on the head by an acorn. The sky is falling, she thought. She was about to run off and warn Goosey Lucy, Ducky Lucky, Henny Penny, and everybody on the farm that the sky was falling when out jumped the little red chicken, and she said, Don't panic. It was just an acorn. So Chicken Little didn't. The end. Chicken? Yes, Papa? You did it again. Oh, Papa, I couldn't let that little chicken get all upset over an acorn. Please read me one more story. I promise I'll fall asleep. But chickens, said Papa, we're all out of stories. Oh no. Papa, I can't go to sleep without a story. Then Papa started yawning. Why don't you tell me a story? Tell me a story, said the little red chicken. Okay, Papa, here we go. Um, Bedtime for Papa by Chicken. Once there was a little red chicken who put her papa to bed. She read him 100 stories. She even gave him warm milk, but nothing worked. He stayed wide awake all Papa, Good night, Papa. The end. Thank you for joining me tonight. I hope you enjoy the story, and I will see you later. Bye.